Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wealthy Path where we explore simple and proven ways to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. But that's why I'm so pumped about today's video. I'm going to be sharing 5 easy ways you can start making an extra $100 a day online. That's right, an extra $3 grand a month. We're talking side hustles that can make a real difference in your life, so buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into the world of online income. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic side hustle that's been a game changer for me personally, freelancing. Think about it, what are you good at? Writing, graphic design, video editing? Maybe you're a spreadsheet wizard or a social media guru. Whatever your talent, there's a good chance you can turn it into a profitable freelance business. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com are teeming with clients looking for talented freelancers just like you. Let's say you're a decent writer. You could easily find clients willing to pay you $20, $30, even $50 or more per blog post. The beauty of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. My advice for freelance newbies is to start small. Don't be afraid to undercharge in the beginning to land those first few clients and get some positive reviews under your belt. Once you've built up a solid reputation, you can start raising your prices and attracting higher-paying clients. It's all about building momentum and providing exceptional service. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss, I highly recommend checking out the world of freelancing. It's a game changer. Alright, moving on to method number 2, and this one's all about leveraging the power of the internet to generate passive income. I'm talking about affiliate marketing, and it's a lot simpler than it sounds. Basically, you're partnering with companies and promoting their products or services to your audience. Every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Now you might be thinking, Graham, I don't have a huge following or a popular website. But here's the thing, you don't need millions of followers to make money with affiliate marketing. Even if you're just starting out, you can still find success by promoting products and services that you're genuinely passionate about. Think about it. What are your hobbies? What are you knowledgeable about? What products do you use and love? Once you've identified your niche, you can sign up for affiliate programs that align with your interests. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank have thousands of products and services you can promote. Let's say you're really into fitness and you've partnered with a company that sells workout equipment. You could write a blog post reviewing their latest treadmill, create a YouTube video demonstrating your favorite workout routine using their equipment, or even just share a link to their website on your social media channels. Every time someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more traffic you drive to your affiliate links, the more potential you have to earn commissions. So, if you're consistent with your efforts and focus on providing valuable content to your audience, you can create a significant stream of passive income over time. But if you're willing to do the work, the rewards can be life-changing. Alright, let's face it, sometimes we just want to kick back, relax, and earn some extra cash without putting in a ton of effort. And that's where online surveys and micro-tasks come in. These are exactly what they sound like. Short, simple tasks that you can complete online for a small fee. Think of it like getting paid to share your opinion or complete quick errands from the comfort of your own home. There are tons of websites and apps that offer online surveys and micro-tasks, but some of the most popular ones include Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk. The tasks themselves are usually pretty straightforward and can range from answering multiple choice questions to watching short videos or testing out new websites. The pay for each task varies depending on the complexity and time commitment, but you can typically expect to earn a few cents to a few dollars per task. If you can dedicate a few hours a day to completing these tasks, you can easily earn an extra $10 to $15 per hour. One important thing to keep in mind with online surveys and micro-tasks is to be wary of scams. Overall, online surveys and micro-tasks are a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Just remember to be patient, consistent, and always do your research before signing up for any new platform. Alright, let's talk about a side hustle that has the potential to generate truly passive income selling digital products. That's right. I'm talking about creating something once and selling it over and over again without having to lift a finger. Now you might be thinking, Graham, I'm not a designer or a tech whiz. What kind of digital products could I possibly create? And the answer is, a lot more than you think. Digital products come in all shapes and sizes, from ebooks and online courses to templates, printables, and even stock photos and music. The key here is to identify your strengths and passions and find a way to package them into a digital product that others would find valuable. Once you've created your digital product, the next step is to choose a platform to sell it on. There are tons of options out there, but some of the most popular ones include Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable. And the best part is, once you've created your digital product and listed it for sale, the rest is pretty much automated. You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. But if you can create a digital product that meets those criteria, the earning potential is limitless. Alright, let's wrap things up with a side hustle that's perfect for all you creative entrepreneurs out there. Print on demand. This is a business model where you design and sell physical products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and even wall art, without having to handle any of the printing, packaging, or shipping yourself. Here's how it works. You create a design, upload it to a print-on-demand platform, and list your product for sale. When a customer places an order, the platform handles the printing, packaging, and shipping directly to the customer. You get to focus on what you do best: designing awesome products. There are tons of print-on-demand platforms out there, but some of the most popular ones include Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble. One of the best things about print on demand is that you don't need any upfront investment. Another great thing about print on demand is that you can create truly unique products that cater to specific niches or interests, and the earning potential with print on demand is significant. But here's the thing. If you focus on creating high-quality, unique designs that cater to specific niches, you can still stand out from the crowd and build a successful business. There you have it, folks. 5 easy ways to start making an extra $100 a day online. Remember, the key to success with any of these methods is to take action. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Choose one method that resonates with you and start taking steps to make it happen. Whether it's signing up for a freelancing platform, creating your first digital product, or designing your first print-on-demand t-shirt, the most important thing is to get started. So what are you waiting for? Your wealthy path awaits.